Give us encouragement. That's why we do our best. So we hope for the next time we continue to play the way. Thank you. I have one more question. So what do you have to say about this playground they are playing here in New North Lane? The ground is also very good. It was very good. What about the opponent? The opponent you are playing today? You have anything to say regarding this? Your opponent?
Yes. The opponents were very good. They are unlucky today, but they are very, very good players. No doubt.